It's a new dawn, it's a new day, and today we are taking our dog for a walk. I thought I'd make a video about this because a lot of people ask me, how do you carry the dog, where's the dog, how do you do it? It's pretty easy. You just buy a dog carrier and you set it on the back of your motorcycle, and then you train your dog to like the dog carrier, and then you put it on the motorcycle, and then the dog gets used to it and then he likes it. Now he's not doing it, but a lot of the times he puts his little paws up on top this thing, and he's just looking around with his tongue flapping in the wind. So we think he enjoys it, and that's why we can take him on walks on a motorcycle, which is really nice. He's a little bit camera shy. Hello. Hello. Hey. Hello. So yes, I'm gonna do a little trip, about 40 minutes to a destination, and then take a walk and then come back. So I hope you enjoy it.
Oh boy.
Pretty cold outside actually. That's no matter for Tilo. Normally we come out here with the family and other dogs, so he's a little bit scared to go alone, so he sticks with us. This place is called Linkeroever. There is a big patch of grass here, I think 500 meters that way and then 800 meters that way. So it's a big place. It's an open dog area, so you don't have to put them on the leash here, which is nice. Just gonna enjoy this midday stroll through the grass here in Linkeroever. did you think? Did you enjoy it? Yes, you did. Alright, we're back home. That was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I guess this movie quote.